Fluffy woke up that morning feeling oddly squeezed. He stretched, just a little, and suddenly, crack. His claws were huge, way too huge. When he stood up, the house didn't agree. That's when Fluffy understood the truth. Carefully, he stepped into the village. The houses barely reached his knees. Every villager froze in disbelief. Then, Fluffy sneezed. One brave baker offered a cake. A mouse. Or, was it a horse? The bridge couldn't handle the shake. So Fluffy helped, in the gentlest way. The sage smiled.
Just forest magic.
He said. Back home, Fluffy smiled and laughed softly.